Have a good day to everyone. Magandang araw sa lahat. For today's video is all about basic and simple English Tagalog translation. English, adapt, add, address, adhesive, adjective, adjoin, adjure, adjust. Tagalog, gawing katulad, idagdag, tinitirhan, pandikit, pangori, makapiling, bigyan ng lakas, iayos. English, adapt, adapt, adapt. Tagalog, gawing katulad, gawing katulad, gawing katulad. Add, add, add. Idagdag, idagdag, idagdag. Address, address, address. Tinitirhan, tinitirahan, tinitirahan. Adhesive, adhesive, adhesive. Pandikit, pandikit, pandikit. Adjective, adjective, adjective. Pangori, pangori, pangori. Adjoin, adjoin, adjoin. Makapiling, makapiling, makapiling. Adjure, adjure, adjure. Bigyan ng lakas, bigyan ng lakas, bigyan ng lakas. Adjust, adjust, adjust. Iayos, iayos, iayos. This is our video for today. Thank you for watching.